when an Amazon seller business grows to say thousands or tens of thousands of orders per month, what are one or two things that they can change in their business operations from an accounting and financial point of view?
Well, I think at that level, first of all, you really need to be operating with some standard operating procedures. The things that have allowed you to operate up until that point will not serve you well when you're dealing with that volume. There's all kinds of automation tools that can be put in place to help facilitate that level of order quantity. But even more than that, the people that you have involved need to be following some procedures to ensure that when you issue purchase orders, that those invoices are coming in, that you're getting the product. Those at that level of business, you need controls in the business.